Pennyville naseNew Canada zivala umgwaqo N17 noNew Canada Road isibhekishela ukukhishwa okuhleliwe ezindlini zeJohannesburg Social Housing Company okuJoshko ngamafuphi bathi akukho ukuxhumana okufanele okwenziwe futhi ayikho enye indawo yokuhlala ebanikezwe yona. Umphakathi uphinde wacasulwa isinqumo sebhodi lihlukanisa imingcele sokubasusa kuWard 68 bayiswe kuWard 29 ngaphandle kokubonisana nabo. Ukwengeza ukushuba kwesimo izakhamizi zenqaba ukukhokhisa ugesi ophezulu weCity Power zithi iningi labo alisebenzi.
Bathukuthele bavala imigwaqo abahlali basePennyville naseNew Canada namhlanje izintatha njengoba inkampani yomasipala waseJohannesburg enikezela ngezindawo zokuhlala ezingambi eqolo iJohannesburg Social Housing Company ithumela abazokhipha ngodli abahlali abahlanu kwabayishumi ethi-ke kumele baphume baphele ezindlini zayo. Umholi womphakathi uthi-ke le nkampani ayilandelanga umthetho.
Yeah, today there were supposed to be evictions that has to take place in Ward 68 under Joshko. Joshko didn't serve the tenants, whereby the eviction was done through the back doors. So now, out of 3,800 tenants, only 10 were served. So how? Because they were never served with the first one, the second notice and the third notice. They were never even called at the court of law to come and account for their debts. So we say to the sheriff, if you want to evict all of them, not 10 out of 3,800 tenants. So now the sheriff is here with the police, with the Metro Police.
Kusenjalo omunye umholi womphakathi uthi-ke uhulumeni akaqale ngokususa bokufika ababusa emabhilidini asedolobheni.
Why don't you start evicting all the illegal foreigners before you come and evict our people here? You cannot come and do with us whatever you feel like. Start with cleaning this whole Gauteng with illegal foreigners. Then we might come and sit a table with you. Until then, we're not going to give up. If anybody gets hurt here, it will be on the government. It will be on the government. Let them come and sort out this thing. Before we give in, we're going to fight. We're really going to fight. We're not giving up on our people. Langlaagte is full of foreigners. Keep them for yourself, you as the government. We don't need them here. You are the ones who are allowing foreigners in this country, undocumented foreigners. See what you do with them. You're not bringing them here. We're sick and tired of fighting for our rights as South Africans. On the other side, you're fighting with Dula, who's trying to do the right thing.
Namhlanje abakwaZidlodlo bahlome ngengovolo ukuyoqapha isimo njengoba ke lo mphakathi ubungafuni ukuzwa lutho uthi-ke weseka abahlalisana nabo. Kwezinye izinkinga abazibalile amanani kagesi amba eqolo kanjalo nodaba lokuhlanganiswa kwabo neWard 29 besuswa ngaphansi kuka-68. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV, ngikunokulunga Mthembu ngisePennyville.